clothes. Okay. Okay, but during on holidays, how does Mr. Joe looks like? How does he looks like? Anyone from the class? He looks like a, it says here that he looks like a
Scarecrow.
scarecrow. Yes, very good, Catherine. A scarecrow in good circumstances. Do you know what a scarecrow is? Do you know what a scarecrow is?
Yes. A corn keeper.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, a corn keeper, a rice keeper. Where can we find a scarecrow?
Fields. The field.
Yes, on fields and on farms. Usually, scarecrows are being used by farmers to what do you call that one? To avoid, not to
Avoid
to
the cold.
scare.
Animals, to avoid the
Yeah, to
animals.
scare, to scare
Near
birds
the
and
cold.
other, yes, especially the crows from eating the crops. If you can imagine Mr. Joe wearing that one, is he still good looking?
Very cool.
If he looks like a scarecrow?
No.
Okay, of course, when you can say that he is okay, not good looking during or wearing holiday clothes. Okay, we still have time.
Go to the toilet.
Come again.
May I go
Come
to the
again. Yes, yes, you can go to the toilet. Okay, we will be continue reading 55 to 65 this time. Tristan, can I have you, Tristan?
Yes, miss.
Tristan?
Yes.
Okay. Is it okay with you that I'll let you read 55 to 65?
What number, miss?
55 to 65, Tristan.
Okay.
Okay, go now.
Joe and I going to church, therefore must have been a moving spectacle for compassionate minds. Yet what I suffered outside was nothing to what I underwent within. The terrors that had assailed me whenever Mrs. Joe had gone near the pantry or out of the room were only to be equaled by the remorse with which my mind dwelt on what my hand had alone, under the weight of my wicked secret. I pondered whether the church would be powerful enough to shield me from the vengeance of the terrible young man. If I devoted to that establishment, I confessed the idea that the time when the bands were read and when the agreement said, "Ye are now to declare it," would be the time for me to rise and propose a private converse in the Versi. I am far from being sure that I might not have astonished our small congregation by resorting to this extreme measure, but for this big Christmas day and no Sunday.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, okay, thank you for reading. As you notice, mostly of the verbs being used in these lines uses the verbs in the past tense. Okay, I want you to listen to me and okay, Tristan, I want you to repeat after me, Tristan. I'll be
Yes,
saying
Miss.
the word. Okay,
Okay.
I'll be saying the word, then you say it again, while the others are listening. Okay, please say suffered,
Suffered.
assailed, assailed.
Assailed.
Line 58, you have equaled, equaled.
Equal.
Okay, it's not equaled, okay? Okay, you have there pondered, pondered,
Pondered.
divulge. Line
Default.
61, divulge. Come again.
Default.
Okay, good. Where was that? Yes, honey, go to the toilet, honey. It's okay. I want you to take note also. Astonished. Say it again, Justin. Astonished.
Astonished.
Okay, there you go. Thank you, Justin.
You're welcome, miss.
So what is the myth or what is the idea of those lines? Tip is joining her sister in go.
Miss.
Okay, I went out again. I went out again because of my connection. Okay, I'm very sorry. Okay, I went out again because of my connection. Mm. Okay, time check. It's already past 6 in the evening. I guess teacher will not be continuing with the discussion tonight. I'm very sorry with my poor internet connection and with the audio a while ago. Okay, before I end, so what was Justin trying to say to us based on the readings is that Joe is going to church together with her sister. Okay, because he is thinking that by going to church, we already knew that he committed a mistake. He committed a sin during the previous reading because he stole some food, some things from his family, and he just kept it as a secret. So maybe for him, going to church might save him. Well, of course it does, especially if you're going to talk to God. Okay? So with that one, with my internet connection, I guess teacher will say goodbye. We will be continuing our readings next meeting, okay?
Okay, miss. Ini udah selesai. Yes. I don't know too. Udah selesai.
Udah selesai.
Oke. Tahu juga sih. Ini udah selesai atau enggak?
Kayaknya udah selesai deh.